Hi. Here is a mini game created by me, and this game is basically a game about a jumping mechanism and avoid the obstacle like a spy and enemy. So the objective is to achieve the flag at the end of the game. So here is the gameplay. That is how, and I will show you how I made this game. How to create a game file. First, go to game project and select a Universal 2D, and then you change the project name to game 1 and create the project like this. Now, to add asset sprite from the project, we can use the official store and search for 2D and choose a free price. Choose one and I choose it as my game project. Then from the asset store, click my asset and to import and download the asset. So here is a new scene. First, open the window and search 2D and open tile palette and put it on the project. To have the tile palette, you need to drag the sprite from the downloaded asset to the palette. So to design or put the sprite to the scene, you need to create new tile map and select a suitable option like this. Here you can create new tile map, and now you can design your terrain. And now after design the terrain, we add some component. So first we use the tile map collider 2D, and here the setting. Then we add the rigid body 2D and change the body part to static. Then lastly, we add the composite collider 2D. Create the character with animation. First, choose a player sprite and open the inspector, and it was all default. Then open the sprite editor. Here we use automatic to slice the character. and then now we click apply. Here we have a select part of sprite. Now we click the window and open animation and animator window. Now to use the animation, we need to create a new file, and here I name the file character as character anim. Then we drag the idle 0 to the property. Now the character is added to the scene. After that, we put the idle 1 beside the timeless of idle 0 and add the idle 0 again to create a loop. Then there is animator window to arrange a movement. Here, as you can see, is a movement of the character. Then here is the animator window to arrange the movement, but I just use one, so no more. Now to add the playing component, first I added the digit body 2D, and here I change the mask number to 2 and lock the Z rotation. The constraint. Second, I add the box collider 2D and use the default setting, no change here. So here is a full scene of the game. Before this is a basic part needed to make others, and I just combine all to make all this achievable. So here is how I do it step by step, and what I need to do for the enemy, coin, finish flag, win UI, lose UI for the ideal part, and the component is I put here, also with the carding included. And here it is. Watch it.